Lords, I am appearing for Union of India. My Lord, previously the case has been conducted by another council. Recently this has been allocated to me. So I pray 2 weeks time may kindly be given to me for getting myself ready on the brief, my lords.
Counsel for the petitioner. Last time there was no representation. All right, counsel for the petitioner seeks time. Mr. So and so seeks time. Release this matter after 2 weeks.
Serial number 21, the Union of India versus Dharmesh Kumar Chaudhary. For the petitioners, Dr. Anand Kumar.
This is same matter, my lord, with respect to item 12.
Huh?
It is same matter with respect to item 12, my lord, transfer matter.
Railway.
Railway.
In this case, my lord,
Huh?
I have stated in paragraph 11, my lord. The petitioner has given requisition for the posting of Danapur division, my lord, but it was not accepted.
Where is the rejection?
Acceptance for the AC railway only, my lord, not for a particular division, my lord.
Where is
I
the-
have stated, my lord.
Where is the rejection?
Mr.
Paragraph 11, my lord.
Mr. Pandey, Danapur division comes within the East Central Railway. So he was released for East Central Railway.
Eh.
An order has to be passed by East Central Railway.
There are several divisions in ECR, my lord. I have said paragraph 11, my lord.
Where is the rejection?
I
Rejection
will,
order.
if necessary, I will file supporting document if necessary, my lord.
Huh.
In the light of paragraph 11 of the,
Same thing. Morning in one of the dictation, who has taken?
In item 18.
18.
18.
Same order. Seal number 18.
Serial number 22, Srimati Kanchan Devi versus the Chairman and Managing Director, Bharat Sanchar Nigam Limited. For the petitioners, MP Dixit.
May please, your lordship. The petitioner is a widow, my lord. She was appointed on compassionate ground as a casual labor after the death of her husband in 1991. She got promotion to the Group C post in 1994.
91.
1990
Appointment in 90.
11/7/1991
Uh,
as a casual labor on compassionate ground. As a casual labor on compassionate ground.
uh,
His husband was an employee under the BSNL. He died on 3 May 1991. Thereafter, she was appointed on compulsory ground as a casual labor because post was not there. While working as a casual labor, she was promoted to the post of Group C. Before that minute, I may be allowed. On 16/8/1994, she was regularized against Group D post,
16/8/94.
94.
Regularized.
Regularized against Class 4 post. On 31st March 1995, she was promoted to Group C post.
Hmm.
Thereafter, my lord, after rendering more than 20 years of service, she received a charge memorandum on 25th February 2006.
25th February 2000.
6
That is 15 years.
25 फरवरी 2006
वो 15 साल हुआ, 20 साल नहीं.
It's all right.
कैजुअल की बात, कैजुअल को लेके हमने कहा. I am counting from the date of casual.
All right. What is the charge?
Charge is, my lord, she has submitted false matriculation certificate while taking promotion.
Forged.
Forged certificate. While taking promotion. Thereafter, my lord, the petitioner demanded documents. Documents were admittedly not supplied. Inquiry officer was appointed, and inquiry officer himself admitted that without supplying the relevant documents to the applicant, petitioner, inquiry is not possible. In this respect, my lord, I may draw your lordship's kind attention towards page number 84 and 85 of running brief.
All right. Now inquiry report submitted.
Thereafter, ex parte inquiry report came. An inquiry officer himself said,
No, says that charges were not proved.
one side charges proved, another side he has recommended for a lighter punishment.
For a,
Lighter punishment,
who is it to recommend?
he has said in the inquiry report, Milan.
So ultimately charge is proved.
Milan. Now, Milan, the inquiry report date is Milan, very important, Milan.
Inquiry?
Report, charge memorandum was issued in 2006. Inquiry report is coming in 2013. A very serious allegation against me was there, and the department given
Alright.
charge memorandum in 2013.
Sir, when did you receive second show cause notice along with the inquiry report?
On 3/9/2013.
3/9/2000?
13,
That is show cause notice.
Milan.
Show
I,
cause note,
I submitted my reply on
Ah.
15th September 13,
15 September
2013 itself,
13.
Milan.
Uh,
After more than 2 years,
uh,
the removal order was passed on 25th July 2015.
uh,
I submitted appeal before the authorities.
hmm.
Appellate authority has rejected my appeal in 2017,
What is the date?
at 28th January 2017.
Hmm. Yes.
I assailed the order of the disciplinary authority and appellate authority on 3 grounds, Milan,
Before the tribunal.
before the learned tribunal. First ground I have taken, I was working under the General Manager Finance, BSNL. Therefore, my disciplinary authority can only be the officer of the General Manager Finance Department, none else, as per the schedule.
No, as on 25/2/2006, where were you working?
Under GM Finance, General Manager Finance,
All right.
BSNL.
Uh,
And second point I've taken,
Then who has framed the charge?
Additional General Manager Administration,
Additional?
General Manager Administration.
Uh,
I have taken 2 points on this issue before the learned tribunal. I was working under the finance department, therefore my disciplinary authority can be officer of the finance department. Second point I have taken, even for the sake of argument, even additional general manager administration is disciplinary authority. But as per the schedule, he has not shown a competent authority to impose any punishment.
no, in terms of schedule, who is the competent authority? Disciplinary
Mila-
authority.
Deputy General Manager,
Deputy?
General Manager,
Uh,
and in above him General Manager, Finance.
correct, but penalty of removal from service has been, sorry, charge memo was issued by?
Charge memo was
Additional
issued-
GM.
Miller.
That is,
Additional GM.
that is higher than the deputy general manager.
Additional is
Miller.
higher.
That is higher, but the department is different. My submission before Lordship is Miller here also. कि I can be removed, dismissed, any punishment can be imposed as per the report or whatever may be. But by the authority
According
under whom
to-
I work.
According to you, the disciplinary authority is GM Finance BSNL.
Miller.
All right. What is
Second
the-
point,
Second point.
second point I have taken before the learned tribunal. The learned inquiry officer himself admitted that the petitioner was not supplied relevant documents,
Hmm.
and I am unable to proceed with the inquiry unless she has been provided these documents.
Do you dispute that you don't produce the force certificate?
Now, once it has come on the inquiry report, Miller, now I can't say Miller.
You can't say, you say firmly that you have not produced force certificate. You have matriculation certificate.
I have stated, Miller, that document was not supplied by me, Miller. I was a widow. I was not so
Correct, sir. You are widow in 1991.
Miller.
Thereafter you have earned promotion.
And last point, my lord, I have taken before. I am also
Who is the author of matriculation certificate?
Bihar School Examination Board.
He has been examined.
No, material witness was the secretary of that, my lord. I have taken this plea, my lord. The sole witness, my lord, Secretary Examination Board, Mr. Srivastava,
Secretary.
Bihar School Examination Board. He has
How he has identified that this is a fake matriculation certificate?
on
It has to be proved by
on the basis
author.
of other witnesses.
No, whether the author of the matriculation certificate or office of the matriculation board has been examined.
No, my lord. And my respectful submission, we are ignoring all these points, my lord. Admittedly, my lord, I have rendered more than 25 years of service on
Sir,
the
why
date
are
of
you saying all those things? That is not the issue.
disproportionate.
No, because you are under 25 years service, such a serious allegation can be ignored.
Because if
Yeah.
the
Have you not cheated the department?
if the
The
department
scope of tribunal and this court is limited.
exactly,
Any legal ground is there, you please let us know. Only on legal ground we will interfere. In terms of BC Chaturvedi judgment and recent one more decision is there, Dalbir Singh or something. In terms of those two judgments, courts cannot reappreciate evidence. Therefore, you have to highlight only legal issues. Now you said that disciplinary authority is not the competent authority,
Miller.
and the inquiring officer has admitted that documents have not been supplied
Miller.
to you. Now you point out from the charge memo which are those documents.
Miller. Kindly, your lordship, may have a look to page number 84, running page 84.
Running page?
84.
Where is the list of documents?
That has been referred, Miller. In page 84, it has been referred, Miller. That's why
Huh?
it has been referred in page 84 itself, Miller.
No, sir. Along with the charge memo,
Serial number 6 of annexure 3.
serial number.
Serial number 6 of annexure Roman 3 of enlisted document.
No, I am not getting page number 83, 85,
84, I am referring page 84.
84.
Miller. That is a letter annexure 2 before the tribunal dated 22nd February 2007.
No, sir.
As a regard allowance of additional.
Sir, in page 82, annexure 3, which are the documents you have sought?
Miller.
Where is your application for requesting to supply these documents?
Since it was admitted in that letter, Miller, that's why, Miller, that letter has not been.
Huh?
Since annexure 2 it was admitted, Miller.
Page number.
Annexure 2 at page in dated 22nd February 2007.
Page number, sir.
82,
82.
Miller. But in my copy, Miller, it is at page 84.
82 is annexure 3. Where is the finding of the inquiring officer that the non-supply of documents
I am
would,
OA pleading, Miller. I am referring OA pleading, Miller. OA pleading का annexure 2.
Page?
Page 40.
Document date for
At page 40 of the writ petition, my lord. issues raised by the official by the charge official at page 40, your lordship. Last but one paragraph starts.
What is this except document number 237?
Ji.
Which are the 237?
This my lord will be pleased to find from page 82 of the brief. Two is the attestation at page 482, my lord. Attestation form submitted by Srimati Kanchan Devi at the time of her appointment.
No, entire case is depending upon document number 3.
Ji.
That has not been provided. Entire charge against the petitioner is she has produced a fake matriculation certificate.
And that has been considered.
And that has not been furnished.
And 3 are of no relevance to the case since the charge officer has declared in her application for Group C4 that she has passed SSC examination.
No. Matriculation certificate was not produced. Item number 3, matriculation certificate bearing number so and so. This copy is not made available to the petitioner.
Not available, but they say that the document is not available only because she has accepted that she will not appear to be
Where is her admission? No, where is her admission?
in her statement.
Where is her statement? Exhibit 6. Exhibit 6.
Where is that statement which he has referred to in issue raised by the charge official?
Exhibit 6 on page 42 it has been referred to. Page 42.
Exhibits. Where is exhibit 6, which he is referring to in issue raised?
Exhibit 6 before the inquiring authority.
Well,
Where is
Lord,
that?
of course this is not on the record, but it has
That
been
is relevant because she has admitted, she is stated to have admitted that she has not participated in the examination.
My Lord, I have brought it up by way of my counter affidavit on the record. That
Where
is
is
on
that?
the record. I will just show you.
No, sir. Exhibit 6, you point out if she has admitted that she has not appeared for examination, that's the end of it.
My Lord, may I refer to my Lord R7 at page 50 of my counter affidavit.
R7.
R7 at page 50 of my counter affidavit. Page 50. It's a part of counter affidavit.
What is
R7.
this application form?
This is, my Lord, the statement recorded given by her, and this was recorded on 26/5/2005, and in which, my Lord, in paragraph in column number 6, my Lord, may kindly, of course, it's in Hindi, my Lord. May I read for my Lord's kind consideration?
Not matriculation. Yes, what do you say, Mr. Counsel for the petitioner?
My Lord.
Where is your matriculation certificate?
My Lord, that
See,
certificate-
this is your declaration, Annexure R7, page 50. This is part of inquiry.
My. It is referred to in the
Exhibit as what?
exhibit as, my Lord.
8.
6.
Just.
How do you say it is exhibit 6? It is exhibit 8.
Ah.
It is showing exhibit 8.
The exhibited, my Lord, page 42 of the petition, my Lord. Exhibit 8, statement of Srimati Kanchan Devi, recorded by Srimati
Where is
Chan-
the exhibit 6? Is it one more declaration by her?
This is later dated 26/5/2005, on which her statement was recorded. That is Exhibit
Page?
8.
Page
Page number 42.
4?
42 of the petition. my lord.
Same thing, inquiring officer. Inquiring officer's report.
Inquiry officer's
No, no.
report is Milord.
This is the, my lord, order of the appellate authority. And in that appellate authority, my lord, it has taken everything into consideration after giving and bringing everything which was before the IO and which has been taken into consideration by the IO for coming to a conclusion that charge has been proved.
Yeah, written statement by the
The Exhibit 6 is Milord verification addressed to the Secretary Bihar School Examination Board, who was
but the seal and signature is
No,
on
that is a different document. This has been given for what purpose?
Date is 2005.
No, sir.
When was the proceeding initiated against her?
In
My
2006.
lord, it was in 2006, my lord. On 25.
Sir, where is the admission by the respondent,
Exhibit
sorry,
6.
petitioner, before the inquiring authority?
My lord, this is the Exhibit 8 in which, my lord, her statement.
Sir,
was-
this is not part and parcel of inquiry.
Yes, my lord. This is
So-
a part and parcel of the
Exhibit, where is
Exhibit
the
8.
exhibit 6?
Exhibit 8.
Where is the exhibit 6? Because in
which
the
is
inquiry
ref-
report, it refers to exhibit 6.
No, Exhibit 6 is, my lord,
And this annexure R7, what page 50, what you are referring,
it is Exhibit 8.
this is before whom?
Before the, this was a statement.
See the title, top of the
My-
document. Karyalayaya, Bihar?
This is of year 2005.
No, the top one, what is this?
Office of
My lord, before initiation of the departmental proceeding, before giving.
Sir,
the-
this state annexure R7 is not before the inquiring authority.
My lord, it was, therefore, my lord, this has been exhibited.
Where is the stamp of the inquiring authority, exhibit 6? If it is
My
the
lord,
same document, where
my
is
lord,
the
that
stamp?
that will be in the record of the inquiry official, my lord, that is there. That time, my lord, since it has been exhibited.
Then where is the reference to this annexure R7
Yes.
dated 26/5/2005 in the inquiring officer's report?
Inquiry officer. Inquiry officer. Lord, may I place, my lord, page 42 for my lord's kind consideration.
Page 42.
Ji, for a moment, your lord. Regular, my lord, page 42, your lordship may kindly permit me to place for my lord's kind consideration. Regular hearings were held from 4/8/2008 to 8/8/2008. PO produced all the listed documents and the same were taken on record as state exhibits. Page 42, I am reading from my lord's kind consideration. And in that, my lord, all exhibit 1, exhibit 2, everything has been catalogued, your lordship. Now, in my lord's exhibit 6, my lords will be pleased to find this is the verification which came from the Bihar School Examination Board. That this, mark sheet, etc., is found to be forged and fabricated.
No, exhibit 6 is the letter issued by your department to the BSEB.
Yes, yes.
And 7 is their reply.
7 is the yes, sorry, my lord. 7 is the verification report from Bihar School.
Sir, who is the Chanchala Sinha?
Hello.
Who is Chanchala Sinha?
Chanchala Sinha is one of the, my lord.
No, whether
Yes.
is she inquiring officer?
She is, my lord, Assistant Director, Telecom HRD.
Under what capacity she has obtained a statement of the petitioner?
Because, my lord, before initiation of the departmental proceeding, her statement was recorded by the
In that event, whether Srimati Chanchala Sinha was examined?
Srimati Chanchala Sinha. Lord, I'm just verifying whether she has been examined.
Yes, yes. Yes, yes. You confirm the signature.
Yes, my lord. Sorry, sir, yes. She has been examined. SW3 Srimati Chanchala Sinha, the then so and so. She has also been examined.
Yes, sir, you have admitted.
If your lordship pleases to see annexure R7,
This is also important.
Huh?
This is also
annexure R7,
official of the BSc. Said
all
there is no
entries,
SWP. Page 46.
Or?
R7 which my learned friend has referred,
Yes.
all entry has been made
Item
by
number 6.
Miller. All entry has been made by some others. My signature is Miller in the round Miller, Kanchan Devi. Kindly have a look to the handwriting Miller. All entry has been made by someone else. My signature is there Miller.
So you say that you are having this matriculation certificate. Just say yes or no.
I have said I have not
Sir,
read in
all
that
right,
Miller.
you are of the view that you have a matriculation certificate or not?
From Sanskrit Vidya,
Huh?
I have studied matriculation from Sanskrit Vidyapit.
Hindi
Not from
Vidyapit.
Hindi
Hindi
Vidyapit, not from this Miller.
All right, it is the certificate is relating to matriculation.
Miller.
No.
Show me.
There is a judgment of 2016, Justice Hemant Gupta, as my lord then was, sitting with Justice Amanullah sir, detailing all this in the Hindi Vidyapit order. Is the
Show me your matriculation certificate.
In an application is correct. Chetan 36, 37. Look, I have brought all the documents about the application which she had given initially for appointment on compassionate ground after the demise of her husband.
you produced a certificate. The
Yes,
Ramayan Prasad, the section officer of the Bihar School Examination
My
Board,
lord, my lord.
appeared, and he verified the signature of the deputy secretary, saying that there was no center code like 3242.
My lord, my lord,
which you have produced.
my lord. And the certificate given by her is at page 35 of my counter affidavit. And then, my lord, the mark sheet
Although
also
the
given.
deputy secretary has not been examined, but
But-
his signature has been verified by the section officer.
And the
He
another
was
officer
deputy
came.
secretary.
Sir,
Deputy secretary.
please answer two questions. Number one, whether you appeared before the school examination board or not, and number two, whether the Hindi Vidyapit certificate is equivalent to matriculation certificate or not.
For the purpose of promotion, what matriculation certificate you have produced?
In fact, Millard, I have not produced any sheet of paper, Millard, in support of that, Millard, because I was a compassionate appointee.
No, all right. Then how are you entitled for promotion?
That happened in
Who has produced?
1991
Some XYZ?
to benefit you.
Because I have clearly stated I have not read before Bihar School Examination Board.
Huh?
I have not studied through Bihar School Examination Board. I have stated before the tribunal also, Millard, in this petition.
All right.
also.
Where have you studied? London University.
No, Hindi Vidyapit, Millard.
All right. Show me that certificate, whether it reveals matriculation or not.
Then why you are disputing this signature at R7 when you accept yourself that you have not appeared in Bihar School Examination Board exam?
That I have, in that regard, I have said, Millard, entire entry has been made by someone else. My signature is only there, Millard.
All right, sir. Show me now matriculation certificate.
Presently, Millard, Hindi Vidyapit is not with.
Huh?
the certificate from Hindi Vidyapit is not on record, Millard.
Sir, you
Because
say,
in-
say I don't have matriculation certificate. I have so and so certificate which is equivalent according to your argument. Please don't circumvent the court question.
That should be there, Millard. That question,
But
the petitioner has to.
but you have produced that certificate for the purpose of gaining promotion.
Because that was not the subject matter, because they have issued charge sheet on the basis of matriculation certificate. Meaning the petitioner should have produced before the authority concerned, this is my certificate. She has to produce. I also admit Rodaship is quite correct.
So you don't have case.
The other thing is, Milad, disproportionate has taken a specific point of disproportionate, Milad.
Correct.
Had been, Milad, direct selecting, Milad.
Look at the conduct of the petitioner.
Had she been direct appointee, Milad, in the department, Milad, certainly, Milad, she has no, but she was a
Correct,
widow
sir.
and appointed on compensate ground, and she
See
has
the-
rendered.
See the conduct of the petitioner. In order to gain certain service benefits, she has produced a matriculation certificate, which is fake.
Had they been, Milad, compulsory retired, Milad, certainly I would out of service, but with some benefit, Milad. And in certain cases, Milad, your Lordship,
What is the age of the petitioner as on 25/7/2015? In
Milad,
2015, what was the age?
Milad. Her date of birth is, Milad, 1166, and
2015.
she was 50 years, Milad, in the year 2021,
40 years. 40 years.
and now at the time of 16, Milad, at the time of removal, Milad, she was about 45, 45.
2016, 2015. Is a total number of years. 14.
Eight years they have continued from the date of charge sheet. Had they been issued charge sheet in 6, Milad, they concluded the inquiry immediately, Milad. But 8 years they have
Group C is a clerical cadre.
clerical career. For Group D post, there is no qualification.
Why you have taken so much of time for 10 years in concluding the inquiry?
My lord, in the inquiry, my lord, lot of time she had taken for appearing in the,
Huh?
but she didn't appear, my lord. On the one pretext or other, my lord, everything had
No,
been
under the rule, you have a power to proceed with ex parte.
my lord. But in order to give her full opportunity, my lord, we had provided
Full
all.
opportunity, decade, 1 decade.
No, not decade, it took
No,
some time.
2005, 2006 initiation of inquiry, charge memo. 2015 is the removal. 9 years.
Lord, only the time consumed, most of the time was consumed because she
Sir,
had.
for passing final order on receipt of inquiring officer's report, you have taken 2 years.
About, yes. Lord, because in the meantime,
Disciplinary authority was in
inquiry.
hand in glove with the petitioner.
Lord, I can't.
Why 2 years is required to pass a final order?
Lord, it took time, some time, it has taken time, but in the meantime, Lord, she was given the copy of the inquiry report, she has.
Yes, what do you say about the disciplinary authority?
Yes, discipline, that has also, Lord, DGM is the, as per the schedule, I have also brought the relevant rules also. DGM is the disciplinary authority. Now,
DG?
the DGM, Deputy General Manager. Now, Lord, as per 34,
No, in respect, this,
additional.
is there any separate wing,
Yes, yes.
finance department.
Yes. Finance, but she is not the employee of the finance department.
No, sir, as on the date of promotion, as on the date of framing charge, on 25/2/2006, he was in the office of the general manager finance.
She was on
she
the
was in
she
the-
was on the deputation there. She is actually the
All
employee.
right, deputation means the borrowing authority is required to frame charges.
My lord, may kindly appreciate. She is the employee of the general administration.
Huh?
General administration. She is the employee of the
Then
general.
have you withdrawn the services? Deputation services have been withdrawn and charges are
No,
framed on 25.
it was not withdrawn.
Then
but
automatically you cease to be the disciplinary authority. Disciplinary authority would be the borrowing authority.
Lord, as per the rule, Lord, as admittedly the DGM, Deputy General Manager, is the disciplinary authority of her.
All right, sir. If an employee is on deputation to some ex-wing, in that event, who would be the disciplinary authority? Borrowing authority or lending authority?
My lord, no, it's not a, Lord, what I mean to convey, your lordship, is that she is the employee of the general administration. But for the timing, she was working in the finance department. Lord, it's not that.
Finance department arrangement is on deputation, no?
No, not as a deputation in the legal term, Lord, in strict term.
Show me
your
the
lord.
schedule.
But, my
Show
lord,
me the schedule.
schedule. Now, Lord, that is, Lord, may I,
Court must.
That is enclosed, my lord, with my
that is enclosed also in the rejoinder to the.
rejoinder. It has been enclosed as P1 with my rejoinder.
BSNCDA rules. Deputy General Manager.
Serial 2 relates with Group C.
And paragraph 2 also, my lord, may kindly have pleasure to see. Paragraph 2.
No, where is the additional GM designation in the
Lord,
schedule?
No, in that it is not, but if that's some, Lord, I am referring paragraph 2 of the same schedule.
Para 2, where
Two.
the officers of the level indicated in the schedule are not available, then the officers in the higher scale grade shall exercise these powers.
Ji.
No, this is
No,
only
ji-
a higher officers. who are
Ji,
available.
additional general.
But the petitioner is not under the administrative control of additional general manager.
Now, Lord, in between what has happened, that when the memo of charge was given to her, she had moved one writ petition before your lordships.
No, that is a different
No,
aspect.
that's very important. And in that writ petition, Lord, there has been observation by your lordship that since there is an allegation of bias against the Deputy General Manager, the disciplinary authority, therefore you appoint another disciplinary authority. And in pursuance to that, Lord,
Where is that order?
observation is there in the
No, where is
appellate
that order?
This is in the order of the appellate authority itself. And therefore, Lord, the ad
No,
hoc.
where is that order?
Where is that order of the High Court?
That order of the High Court, but it is on the record and it
Sir,
has.
where is the order of the High Court that the petitioner has had a certain bias against the Deputy
DGM.
General Manager, therefore the disciplinary authority is required to be reappointed. Where is that order?
No, Lord, it has come in, as I have stated also in my counter affidavit, that there was an oral observation by your lordship that since there is allegation against and bias against the disciplinary
Sir,
authority,
where is the order?
Lord, there is no order.
There is no order
there-
means you can't take
there was
such
an
contention.
Lord, there was an oral observation,
no,
therefore,
no,
Lord,
no.
that has been done.
Sorry, Mr.
But
Blue.
anyhow, Lord, anyhow, even otherwise, Lord, the additional general manager, kindly see 34, rule 34, one of the, Lord, BSNL, same, Lord,
34 of what?
of the same rule here also, I have given, Lord.
Internal page?
34.1,
Page?
no, rule, Lord, I have given the copy of the rule, 34.1.
34?
1.
Huh.
Lord. This says that where the
The disciplinary authority as specified in schedule or any authority higher than it may impose any of the penalties specified in Rule 33
Yeah.
on an employee. Whether additional,
is the higher authority. That's
no,
right.
additional
General manager.
general manager is
Higher than the deputy general manager.
higher than the general manager.
Deputy, my lord,
Not deputy, general manager.
deputy general manager.
Sir, the petitioner is working under the
Deputy general.
in the office of the general manager finance.
No, deputy general manager. She is under the.
Where is the material to show that she is working in under the deputy general manager?
No, that's, my lord may kindly appreciate. She is a she employee, class C, and her disciplinary authority is deputy general manager. Now, as per 34(1), any authority higher than the disciplinary authority can also impose the punishment as prescribed.
Her services were under the administrative control of general manager finance or not?
Lord, on this issue, Lord, I will have to.
You get the
Because there is neither pleading, such pleading was raised. No, only
No,
plead,
it
only
will go
plead-
to the root of the matter. Law, question of law can be raised at any point of
Yes,
time.
yes. There is no quarrel on it.
Therefore, you just give a document that the petition, as on 25/2/2006, the petitioner was working in the office of the Deputy General Manager Finance BSNL. So as to consider Rule 34(1), ADGM, Additional General Manager is empowered, who is higher authority than the Deputy General Manager.
Lord, I will bring it on the matter. I shall bring it.
This
2 weeks,
matter,
my lord may kindly.
matter was heard for some time. Petitioner has raised a legal question relating to disciplinary authority. First up, the petitioner, as on 25/2/2006, is stated to was working in the office of the Deputy General Manager Finance BSNL or General Manager Finance BSNL, so as to invoke Rule 34(1), that the Additional General Manager Administration, who is higher than the Deputy General Manager, can invoke the power of can step into the shoe of disciplinary authority to scuttle the contention of the petitioner that additional GM within bracket administration is not the disciplinary authority to the petitioner. In this regard, a respondent department is hereby directed to furnish a copy of the posting or any other material, the posting of the petitioner in the office of the Deputy General Manager Finance BSNL or General Manager Finance BSNL, in order to ascertain who is the disciplinary authority. First up, release this matter 2 weeks,
My lord, may I play 3 weeks, Lord, sir?
3 weeks. Please don't ask further time.
No, my lord, I will not. I will not.
Return this.